How to close Afterpay account. Log in to your Afterpay account on their official website. Navigate to the account settings or profile section. Locate the option for close account or deactivate account. Review any outstanding balances or transaction on your account. Clear any remaining balances by making necessary payments. Ensure there are no pending or upcoming payments scheduled. Follow the on-screen prompts to initiate the account closure process. Provide any requested information or reasons for closing the account. Confirm your decision to close the account. Check your email for any confirmation or further instructions. Your Afterpay account will be successfully closed after completion of steps. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.